Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we will discuss the Doodle widget presented by the Pixel Gallery add-on for Elementor. Doodle is yet another fascinating WordPress grid gallery widget that has a sleek hover animation effect to interact with your visitors earnestly. For basics, the grid shows your selected images in a gallery view and only discloses the info behind each image on hover. The hover page has a separate background style with a bold title, a line animation, and meta. There is an entrance animation attached to the hover background which triggers upon hovering and it is customizable. In the second demonstration, the hover effect triggers a semi-transparent background with still visible images and white text. This can be easily achieved through customizations. Also, you can embed videos from multiple sources to the gallery images at your free will. The embed video will show up as a circle play button on the top right corner. Just click on it and the video will start playing along with user controls provided by the media source. Now that you know the front-end experience of the Doodle Gallery widget, let's see the customizations in the backend. First, drag and drop the Doodle widget inside the editor page. You will see the default appearance of the grid with the hover effect equipped from the start. These are the filler images. From the options on your left, you can change the number of columns of the grid. The columns are themselves invisible and work to determine the dimension of the grid themselves. The whole content section is divided according to the column number. Then you can adjust the row gap and column gap to spread the grid evenly. There's another option to customize the item height using a scroll bar. Below are two switchers that are used to show or hide the grid titles and meta. You can use the image size option to change the image resolution to your requirements. And you can also use the link option to open the link attachment function for the grid gallery items. Speaking of items, the next section by the name holds all the grid items in one place with their individual settings. To add more, you can simply click the Add Item button. To reduce the number, just click on the Close button on the right side of the item box. Clicking on the first item box, here you will get to customize the item background image, media type, title, meta, custom URL, and a subsection to change the dimensions. Let's pick a background image first. Then the title. Let's put a matching meta text along with it. Then from the grid option, let's change the column span to make it occupy more grid lines and get bigger. Then select 2 for the row span and you can see that the item took the length of 2 small columns for itself. Now customizing the second item, same as before, the image, title and meta. Then we'll move to the grid subsection and change the dimensions. Let's select 5 for the columns. And then move to the third item and make similar changes. For the fourth item, after changing its image, title and meta, we can make it even bigger than the first through the column span option. Then for the fifth item, let's just change the basics. Now the grid looks neat and well arranged. Next, we'll move to the Style tab to apply some colors to the grid. From the first section, let's put a dark overlay color on the background and then reduce the opacity to make this. Then put values in the border radius field to make the grid edges round. When that's done, we can go to the title section to make the text white in color. Then change the line color to white too. The line height, width and spacing are customizable using these scroll bars here. Check first to make sure it looks okay. Then we can change the meta color to white too. The arrangements looks good. Now it's time to take a good look at the beautiful image gallery grid we have just created. That's all we wanted to show you for the Doodle Gallery widget. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more widget videos in future. See you next time.